Okay, so another glimpse of the life of scientists. The next one, which I still don't know because I don't remember the order, I saw it a little bit there. Digby Macdonald. You have to make an effort to come here, but it's worth it. We put it differently. Congratulations, congratulations. A big applause, a big applause. He's a survivor. He had 2 operations recently and still working.
Still working. I had a heart operation a month ago.
And he's here.
I got out of bed to come here, and it's a great honor, truly a great honor to be certainly amongst such distinguished people as I am tonight. And I congratulate you on a wonderful program.
Thank you.
A wonderful set of meetings. And I think meetings like this really bring the scientific community together. So thank you very much.
Thank you also. I appreciate it. Thank you. Here's the award with your name in it. If you could move a little bit this way, and to have our standard, because the lawyer doesn't accept it differently. Oh, yeah. Congratulations, congratulations. So, and you saw it, but you have to see it in different ways. That's him. As a teenager in New Zealand. By the way, he has been always all over the world. He is in Ohio State. That's him with Myrna. And here, honoris causa at Lyon, France. I told you, he's been always around the world. And here with President of Tehran. I don't know, I guess you're teaching him about nuclear reactors. No, he's a nuclear reactor guy. He works on nuclear reactor. Sorry? Ex-president, he's not president anymore. So with family,